Amazon in the US is great because they actually collect and remit sales tax on your behalf for all states. This is something that was finalized at the beginning of January 2023. So a lot of sellers think, well, because Amazon is collecting and remitting the sales tax in all the states, I therefore don't need to think about it or be concerned with it or have anything to do with it at all, which isn't true. So there are some states which basically say, hey, if you're only selling on Amazon, you don't even need to be worried. But there are other states that say, no, no, if you have a physical presence or if you reach our threshold, you still need to be registered. And there's a couple of reasons. Some of the states have got their own type of franchise or income tax, which you might need to pay or be registered to. A couple of examples of these are Washington and Texas. So you might be, the sales tax nexus might be triggering something else. And also, they want you to register in case you were to start selling on another platform, because reaching the nexus due to your Amazon might mean you now need to be collecting tax if you were selling, let's say, on Shopify at the same time. So, biggest mistake people make is, hey, I'm only selling on Amazon, or my Amazon sales shouldn't be considered because Amazon are collecting the sales tax. That's not true. You still need to be aware that your Amazon sales can lead to tax problems down the road if you don't consider them.